In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create book notes in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean reusable system for capturing summaries, key lessons, quotes, and personal reflections, all in one organized database. Start by opening a new page in Notion. Type /table or /gallery to create a database. A table is great if you like a spreadsheet view for sorting and scanning lots of entries. A gallery is perfect if you want visual cards, especially when you add book covers. Choose the view you prefer. Then name the database book notes or reading list, so it's easy to find later. Next, add properties to track the details you care about. Create a column for author as text. Add genre as a multi-select so you can tag books with more than one category. For status, use a select property with options like reading, read, and to read. Add a rating column as a number or a select with simple labels. Whatever feels most natural to you. These properties make it easy to sort, filter, and compare books as your list grows. And you can drag columns to reorder them anytime. Now, let's build a template so every new book entry starts with the same structure. Inside your database, click the arrow next to the blue New button and choose the option to create a new template. Templates save time and help you take consistent notes without reinventing the page each time. Inside the template, add clear sections for your notes. Create a summary area for a brief overview of the book's central idea in a few sentences. Add a key lessons section where you can jot quick bullet points of your biggest takeaways. Add a quote section to capture memorable lines and include page numbers or chapter references, so you can find them again. Finally, include a personal reflection section where you connect the ideas to your life or work and note how you'll apply what you learned. This structure makes your notes more useful and easier to review later. To enrich each entry, use /image to add the book cover. This makes gallery cards shine and helps you spot titles at a glance. Then use /web bookmark to paste a link to the book's website or a publisher page. The bookmark creates a tidy, clickable card for quick reference. If you use Redwise, connect it to automatically sync highlights and notes from Kindle or even physical books into your Notion database. Your best passages will appear right where you need them, ready to organize under the same template. That's it, your book notes system is ready. Thanks for watching.